Hi party, this is Tim Savage from Vermont, and I want to say thank you so much for putting together Web 3.0 Domination. I am blown away by the content. I acquired this from you just a couple days ago, and it's Christmas time, and wow, no one will be able to give me a better present for Christmas than what I just got in acquiring this for myself, and what I'm going to be able to do with networking with people. The videos, step by step. Thank you so much. Obviously, you're a very busy person and you care a lot about helping people. I've been to thousands of dollars. I would be embarrassed to tell you how many dollars I've spent on seminars and airfare going all over to talk to the top gurus in internet marketing, and I never learned the stuff that you're teaching me inside of this program. Once I got in and saw the videos and what was going on, I just want to share this with everybody, and I'm probably going to. Anyone who will listen, whether they have a brick and mortar business or they're trying to grow the business online or whatever they're promoting, this is going to be awesome, not to mention all the new friends are going to make through it. So thank you so much for putting it together and for your obviously selfless effort here in really wanting to help others. I really appreciate it. If you want to use this video on your website, feel free. If not, that's fine too, but I'm just going to email this to you or Skype it to you and say thanks. Bye for now.